Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking ports on your Chromebook and the display, because not all Chromebooks have a full HDMI jack. If you have a USB-C only machine, use a USB-C to HDMI adapter that supports video. Passive adapters won't work for every device. Power on both devices and select the screen's HDMI input. Once done, plug the cable in firmly. A loose connection causes flicker. Make sure the adapter is rated for the resolution you want, for example 1080p or 4K, so you don't get downscaling. Once the cable is connected, open Chromebook settings and navigate to device right arrow displays so you can detect and arrange the external monitor. You decide between mirroring the Chromebook screen, which shows the same content, or extending, which gives you extra desktop space. Choose based on workflow. Make sure to set resolution and refresh rate. For most monitors, 1920 by 1080 at 60 Hz is ideal, and if you need sound through the monitor, change the audio output to the HDMI device. These options prevent blurry text and mismatched scaling. To finalize, confirm image and audio are stable. Move a window to the external screen to ensure Extend works. If you see no signal or poor quality, first reseat the cable and try a different HDMI cable or adapter, because most issues are physical. If that fails, reboot the Chromebook while the cable is attached and check for Chrome OS updates that fix compatibility. Finally, test with another monitor to isolate the problem. If the adapter or port is faulty, swapping hardware will reveal it, saving time and money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.